In this video, I'll detail how to update iPhone 12 Pro Max to iOS 18. So if you're using iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, or iPhone 12 mini, this video is going to walk you through how you can upgrade your iPhone iOS from iOS 17.5 to the latest iOS 18. So literally, I am currently running on the latest iOS 18 on my iPhone. And this is iPhone 12 Pro Max. So you see that this is iOS 18, and this doesn't matter whether you're running the beta version or you're running the public version of the iOS 18. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to upgrade your iPhone 12 Pro Max to iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then select general. Once you selected general, locate software update and click on that. Then under software updates, you want to make sure you have internet connection enabled. And just swipe down your control center like this and turn on cellular data on your iPhone. Then after that, if you are using beta version, make sure you select beta. Otherwise, if you turn off beta here, your iPhone will be able to check for updates. Then come here and select iOS update. Check that. Then after checking that, hit the back button. Then refresh this page just like this. Check for any available updates. If the iOS 18 is available for you, you'll be prompted to download the iOS 18 and then install it on your device. So downloading this might take a couple of minutes and depends on the size of the iOS 18 file when released. So the iOS 18 file, when I download and install the beta, is about 6 point something gigabytes. So this should be around 6 to 8 gigabytes when the public version of the iOS 18 is released. So this is how you can easily install iOS 18 on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So found this really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.